Look at that, guys. It's so dark. Buffalo wings. A buffalo. This is not wings.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hello, guys. Good morning. Tuesday ngayon. On the go tayo ngayon. Alis tayo ng maaga. Hold on, guys, ha. Kuhaan tayo ng mga gamit natin. Oh, yeah. I forgot. I forgot for my babies. We're going, guys. I need to wear socks because life is sucks if you don't wear socks. Puro na lang tayo sak-sak. Hindi mo marunong mag-pronounce. Puro na lang tayo socks. Punta kami maaga as usual kay Biyenan. Puntahan natin si Biyenan para magkita yung mag-ina. Mag-ina pala. And yung husband ko is giving the kids treat. Yesterday, guys, I really wanna drink this with Lloydie, but I don't know if this expired. Margarita, guys. I don't know. I'm looking for the expiration. I don't see anything. But it's open for a long time, so.
Let's taste it.
No, I don't want to taste it.
What?
So we drink wine last night, and I get drunk really quick. I mean, not drunk, I get like dizzy. Okay, guys, we're leaving. I have to bring my laptop because you know na. I have to bring because I have to work. And Tommy is bringing food because he's planning to make BLT. I said, Han, I'm going to bring my food, like the one that I cooked last night.
Yeah.
But he said,
You want to close those?
bye, baby Bob. We will be right back. Here, hold this.
Look at it.
Okay, hold on. Okay, this is my seat. This is my position. How can I reset this?
You gotta use the set button.
Okay, set this one. Huh?
No.
This is my thing.
Move the seat where you want it first.
This is the one that I wanted.
That's what you want?
Yeah.
Isn't that where it is?
No.
Okay, so in other words, when you press L2, it doesn't go there. You have to
No.
move it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you press the set and the L2 together.
Together?
You press set first and L2. Press set. And
Set.
hold it. Hold it. No.
Hold it.
Press L2. Let go of them both. Now put L1 and L2 so it goes back.
Yeah, this is it. The leaves is changing a lot, boy. We're going.
Good.
Look at that, hon. Everything is changing.
This one.
And we don't have leaves here. Look.
You got leaves.
The other one, it's still there, but this one is almost empty.
Yeah.
What the heck, honey? I can't see nothing in my back.
Yes.
Huh?
The mirror you gotta do manually.
Cat.
I have problems seeing any animal with that, but
The cat.
that was such a
That's a kitten, huh?
That was such a little baby. I mean, you look at the face; it was just a baby.
You look at the face. I avoid to look. I said it's kitten. I avoid to look.
The other one, what a beautiful face.
Really?
It was
Black and white?
Older than that one. It was like grayish stripe. It was older than that one, but. And the one I saw in the field last night, that was running around the
There
field.
is another one too.
Also gray and white, but
How
he wasn't
many?
dead. He was in the field. I worry about
okay.
him. I worry about him coming to the street.
Honey pa! Sige na! Sige na, hon. Han, sige na ba?
Sige na.
Sige na.
I do this when you have it.
Because you always do that. Do different things. I'm a good driver. I can drive like this. Oh! Tell me. You do.
We're good until that accident happens.
You do this to me all the time. Remember that?
Yeah.
Remember that you always like.
Yeah, but I'm careful when I do it.
I do careful too. I learned this from you. Everything I do is from you. Like the one-handed this driving, I learned it from you too. And sometimes you do like this. I don't want to wiggle the car like you do all the time. I don't because I will. No, I will lose control, and that's it for us.
Right? Should have a shed.
And I'm not a dog. One time they said, I noticed your husband pet you like you are a dog or cat or something. He said, I told him, yeah, do you know that when we first meet, Tommy pit me. Like, I remember.
Here's the thing.
And don't forget the shit you did to me when I first
Here's what you know, okay? This is what I know. Things that feel good, like somebody does this, yeah.
It's nice. It's
feels
so nice.
I do it to the animals because I know the way it feels on us. I think it feels nice to us. It feels nice to us. So I'm doing to them what I do to people, not the other way around. Petting is like nice, good puppy. That's petting.
Yeah, and when Tommy and I ate outside, when we first meet together, we went out in Florida, you know, and it's close to the water. He pet me and I said, oh, this is nice. I like it, guys. I like it. I said, oh, this is so nice. He did this. He touched me. He pet me. I don't even know about petting. He said,
pet you though. Make it sound like a puppy.
Yeah, it says like. And then when I moved here, I just realized, wow, he really did. He did that a lot to the kids, to the cats, and to the dog. So I said,
because I figure you gotta feel nice to them too. Generally, when you pet a dog, you like pat them on the head, or you do this.
Yeah. But you do that a lot to the dog and the cat, huh? It's just like your expression of love. That's how he expresses his feelings, his love. Guys, if Tommy did that to you, and then that means he loves you. No, he did that only to his cat and to his wife. That's it. Gumawa lang siya ng ano, guys. BLT. Hindi sa kanya yung bahay. Nagluluto si Sir Tommy. Sir Tommy. Hala, you shut it off, hon?
No, I'm not shut it off. I'm gonna put more bacon on it.
You have to get rid of the oil.
Drain the fat off of it.
You have
the
to.
oil make the other bacon cook better.
No, because bacon make oil.
Yep.
So. I-try natin tong BLT ni Tommy, guys. Yan si Biyenan. Yung mata niya is sobrang pula, as in. I'm really afraid of your eyes. Scary looking.
That's your Halloween mask.
Show me your eyes. Oh no, it's still the same thing, right?
No, tell her look that way. See how dark it is. Look,
yeah, look.
Turn your eye that way.
No, turn. No, look at that, guys. It's so dark. Turn the other way. The other side here. The other one is clearer.
Which one?
Your eyes. The other one is still bloody, though.
Yeah. Well, blood vessels. She went to the eye doctor yesterday.
She did.
He didn't seem to think it was a problem. The blood pressure was good, so the blood pressure was a little bit high.
It doesn't bother me.
I know, but you do that a lot. I watch you do that a lot. That makes it right.
I do it gently because it's an itch. But
Take your itch pills, because I can see the skin on the outside of this eye is red from rubbing and not on the other eye. So when you're rubbing, the skin on the outside is red, but also it could be breaking the blood vessels inside.
Oh, your blue eyes, it's ruined. Your green, right? Green?
They're actually hazel.
Hazelnut?
Hazel, sometimes they're blue, sometimes they're green, but they're always bright blue.
No, it's not bright, hon. It's so clear and
Yeah, like crystal blue. Yeah.
crystal like clean water. She said she need haircut.
I think she does need a haircut.
I do need. I've been telling Andrea to make me a haircut here, where she goes. And well, I knew I can go over there.
Yeah.
They did it once before.
You have to keep reminding her, because her mind doesn't work that great. She forgets a lot.
Tapos na kami ng nag-BLT. Ang sarap ng BLT ni Tommy. It's really good, BLT. Your BLT is good. It's like the tomato is kind of mush and the mayonnaise is mixed together. It's like the color turns out like pinkish. And it tastes good. BLT, guys. It's like B, it's a bacon. Il is a lettuce. BLT. T is a... What is T, Han?
tomato.
Oh, it's tomato. Well, where is the bread? B.
It's not B. It's sandwich. It's a sandwich. Sandwich applies bread. BLT. Bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwich.
It should be BBLT.
Well, if you have a roast beef sandwich, you say roast beef sandwich with bread? No, the sandwich with bread is implied by the sandwich.
BBLT. Bread bacon. Bread bacon.
You go to a deli and say, oh, I'll take the Italian gumbo. Do you want that on bread?
Ay,
Or
Han, oy.
should I just put coconuts in your hand?
No, because you Italian sandwich, that means you said already sandwich, so it's really implied.
BLT is a sandwich.
But there's no said BLT sandwich.
But if you go to the deli and say, oh, okay, I'll take the Godfather. It doesn't say sandwich.
Ay, Han.
That's the type of sandwich it is. Italian gumbo, like.
Ay, you should be complete everything. You always like incomplete. What? You're incomplete.
Yeah, you're wrong again. The word is incomplete.
Incomplete. What did I say? Incomplete. Incomplete.
Incomplete.
No.
Playback.
Guys, play it back.
Playback.
Play it back. That's his thing, guys.
That's
Play
why
it
I
back.
like that you're recording. Good playback. And every time, oh, I didn't say that.
I make myself wrong all the time, guys. We are ready to go. Ang ginaw sa kalibutan ngayon. Guys, I heard the news since this morning. Yesterday. I think that was yesterday or today. But there is a big earthquake sa Pilipinas. Doon sa Mindanao area. Ano, ang pinakamalakas daw is yung ano, saan ba yun? Basta sa Mindanao area, yung ano, sa Davao din yung family ko. Ang lakas din sa probinsya namin noon kung saan kami talaga na province nakatira, malakas daw din yun. Pero malakas talaga yung somewhere sa Mindanao, sa Tacotabato. Basta grabe daw yun ang lakas. Tumawag ako sa sister ko at saka ang daming post ngayon sa Facebook na lindol doon sa Mindanao area. Seems like every 2 weeks na lang may lindol na nangyayari sa ano, sa Davao. Yung alam ko ha, yung sa sister ko. Seems like every 2 weeks there is an earthquake talaga. And natakot talaga. Ay, parang nakakatakot na parang something. And may mga nag-post pa something na ano daw, may nakikita daw na si Jesus daw naglakad. And if you know, hindi ako naniniwala doon, pero katiwala lagi talaga yun siya kasi ano, pero hindi ako naniniwala. Parang maniniwala ka ba kasi parang totoo talaga siya, and yung talagang parang edited or something. And kung isipin mo lang, hindi yung totoo kasi 'di ba sabi sa Biblia, hindi na aapak yung Panginoon dito sa lupa, hindi na siya aapak dito kasi makasalanan na or something itong ano earth. So hindi na siya tatapak dito, doon na lang siya sa ano. So hindi ko alam pero hindi natin alam, 'di ba? Yung kung ano yung Panginoon, ano yung mga ano na plano ng Panginoon. Tingin ko kapag may mga ganung mga bagay na ang dami ng mga pangyayari sa mundo, patayan, ganun. So 'di ba, may sabi na ano, kung sa Bisaya pakatalagman ng mga panghitabo. Yeah, everything we have down here on earth, it's nothing, guys. You just have to think about that. You should be like content of what you have. You don't have to be like you know, yung mga, hindi ko naman sinasabi yung mga yung mga mahilig sa mga material things. Okay lang yan, enjoy nyo yung life kung meron naman kayong ikaano ng ganun. Pero sa akin lang no, mawawala yun. Ang importante talaga no is yung family at yung ano, yung kung anong meron ka, yung mga kontento ka na kung anong meron ka, yun yung ano ko talaga, parang iwan ko na pa, yung mapaisip tayo tuloy ba kung ano yung mga nangyayari ngayon sa mundo is, huwag na tayong matakot, manalig na lang tayo sa taas, di ba? Yun na lang yung isipin natin, manalig na lang tayo sa taas. Goodness, grabe. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Naghintay lang ako kay Biyenan at saka kay Tami kasi ano, ang tagal. Andun sila sa loob. Andun pa sila. Hindi ko alam kung kailan sila lalabas. I was flying driving back here. I just dropped them off over there. I can see them from here, from the ano sa mirror. Late as in late ng 1 hour si Biyenan sa dialysis, as in 1 hour. Andun siya sa CR din 1 hour doon sa bahay ng anak niya babae. Hindi na ako nakapagpigil. Pumasok ako, guys. Pinasok ko talaga siya kasi ano, kailangan na talagang ano, kailangan tulungan. So pagpasok ko, yan, ang daming mga ginagawa. Ay, Ginoo ko, ang dumi. Alam mo naman dito, nag-alala kami kapag late. Kasi alam mo, pag late dito kasi, ang problema dito is, sigawan sila. Sigawan yung, sumisik yung mga nurses talaga doon. Sisigawan talaga yung ano. Sinisigawan yung kung sino yung nagdala. At asawa ko pa naman si Tami. Yun yung ano dito. Problema kapag late. Sisigawan ka talaga. Andito
Well,
na naman.
Mariann finally went in. Tell her, you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. I'll be out in 2 minutes. And every 20 minutes, I'll be out in 2 minutes.
Sa ano to? Outlet something. I don't know kung anong hinahanap ni Tami. Ay, light pala. Light pala yung hinahanap niya. May kausap siya. Hala, ang ganda nito. $10. Ang ganda nito, oh. I think light for the bushes. It's not the bushes, it's just light. Dami ditong pang Christmas decor. Hanap tayo ng ano, sweater. Polaroid my soul. No, this is really tall. It's taller than me. Oh, this is nice, guys.
And it looks like a discount assortment. They have a lot of cool stuff.
Hala, dog lover. Ang nipis naman ito eh. This one, I like this. Gusto ko to. Ano to? Wala namang picture eh. Ito yung binili ko. Ito $43. I like this. Hala, ang mahal naman pala. Maganda siya, oh. I like this. Tingnan mo, tinawag niya ako. May ano daw siya ipakita. What is that? Huh?
For like pajama things.
Yeah, I know. But they're all long. I don't want to cut anything. Nakahanap na siya, guys. What is this? Oh, this is nice. Oh.
Yeah. This is,
How much?
I don't know. I'm looking for a price. I don't see if this one had a price and it's crossed out.
Yeah, it's crossed out too.
$2.95. 3. It could go this way.
Okay, get that. Okay, and then
Is
let's
that right?
go.
Let's
Yeah.
get 2 of these.
No, ay, nako. Tami? Because, no, the heck.
Okay.
Let's go. What is that?
Oh, I got these too. This is, I can't. I wish I could turn around and see how bright or not bright they are.
Didn't get one. Just one that and put the other.
I'm just looking for one that's.
Yan siya, guys.
Well, if it doesn't have a price, I might ask you.
No, you have to get one.
Hmm?
Ang dami, oh, hon. They have a new thing. I like this. What is this?
Yeah, look over there. I got cute fellow there.
And, I like that, oh. Hala, guys, ang ganda ng kulay.
You have.
Bili din ako nito, guys. Ito, $10 siya. Dalawa na siya. And then, itong CD of Christmas. And ang daming pang Christmas party. Which one is nice color? This one. No dinner for us tonight? What we're gonna have for dinner? Go pee over there. Kinuo ko. Just Roxy, go pee. Let's go pee. Come here, Roxy. Roxy, go pee. Come here. Come, let's go, Roxy. Come here, Roxy. Come here. Come, let's go pee. Come. Bahala ka, di ka. Hello, guys. We order something food out for dinner. Look, this is for me and my baby. Of course, just me and him. This is a buffalo wings. Extra hot. And Tommy got also, what is that?
Jalapeno poppers.
I don't want jalapeno poppers.
Like
And whatever is that.
French fries.
That's it. And what is that?
Sausage Farm Hero.
Sausage from Hero. And we're gonna enjoy this. The
This is
chicken.
for the jalapeno.
This is already hot. Buffalo wings. A buffalo. This is not wings. It's
Called buffalo wings, son. Buffalo
good.
don't have wings.
It's good.
No, you've had it from them before. Want water?
I have one. I have a lot of water in the car. I have to bring it out. Good. Hi guys, we've just been looking. Actually, we just been looking for dimples. Hindi kasi namin makita. And then nakakita ako ng dalawang mata na nag-spark. ilalim ng Christmas tree. Right, big boy? Sa ilalim ng Christmas tree.
Oh, that's not very bright.
It's not very bright. Comfortably. Ito, labhan natin ito bago natin ilagay yung ulo natin. Dito.
Also not very bright.
You can put a lot in there to make it brighter. Yeah.
It's fine. A little warm for it, but hey.
In the winter, in the snow. Oh, guys. Guys. Ilani look. Roxy even like, do I look okay, Han?
Yes, son.
Hala. No, this is like, Han.
Yes, son. It's supposed to be that way.
Guys, it's a Christmas thing. Look at the tummy food over here.
Well, they're not really bright enough for what we wanted. Not really bright enough for what we wanted.
Tapos na kaming kumain. You know what? Tommy decided to order. I told him not to get some pizza. And he get some pizza. And you know what he get? What kind of pizza? Tell them.
Buffalo chicken.
Huh?
Buffalo chicken pizza.
Buffalo chicken pizza daw. So, ginoo ko, guys.
So this way you have chicken.
No, it's
pizza
not.
you
I'm
like.
gonna let him bring it because tomorrow...
What are you bringing for?
Yes, you have to bring it. You buy it, you bring it. You cannot just buy it and then leave
Buy
it
it so
here.
you have it.
No, you buy it, you
have
bring
to
it.
run.
You buy it, you bring it. 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 She's so...
Mother pain, mother pain.
You're crazy.
Hey, I just do the candle.
Can you see here? Let me see if it works. Ang dilim. It works. Yeah. My light. Yes. It works.
Shut it off or you left it?
Lift it. I will shut it up before I go to bed. Anyway, alis na si Tommy, guys. This one you cannot. I just put it like that. I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Tommy is leaving.
Night, guys. Night, guys.
See you tomorrow, guys. And yeah, I'm going to pick up Aloy because we're going out tomorrow again, guys. Bye.